Then we went to find out that if the 3 points are given and if we are asked that find out whether these 3 points are collinear or not. So that part also we have discussed, and here also we will discuss. Okay, here also we will find out. Right. And then we discussed about area of triangle, and related to this area of triangle I did not solve questions, of course. I solved questions only related to distance formula. So let us solve questions related to section formula and area of triangle. Okay, here itself when I will be discussing area of triangle in next questions, then we will discuss collinearity also. Okay, so section formula, what we have already discussed, as I told that it is related to internal division and external division both. Okay, so here the question, first question which we are going to discuss today is determine the ratio in which the straight line x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the straight line given. Divides the line segment joining 3 minus 1 and 8 9. So suppose a line segment, take it as this is there A and B, and A take it as 3 minus 1, B take it as 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So this is the line segment, and another line segment x minus y minus 2, okay, is dividing this line segment. So this line segment, what is the x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation for this line segment L. Okay, right. Now what we need to find, gentlemen? We need to find the ratio in which the straight line this divides the line segment joining 3 minus 1 and 8 is to 9. So suppose from our side we are assuming that suppose this point P, okay, which is having okay, suppose this point P, because here coordinates are not there, let it be. Okay, so suppose we are writing coordinate with P and Q. The point P is having coordinate PQ, which is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio K is to 1. In the ratio K is to 1. Okay, right. Now, as per the section formula, what we discussed that if there is a line segment joining A and B with x1, y1 and x2, y2, suppose any point P having coordinate as x and y is dividing the line segment in the ratio m is to n, internal division, then this coordinate of this point P, so x can be found as, okay, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and then y can be found out my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So by utilizing this formula we will be able to find. So similarly here k is to 1 is there, so it means the coordinate of this point P, utilizing the same formula, so P is equal to what? So 1 or k into 8, so 8k plus 1 into 3, so 3 divided by k plus 1, correct? Similarly, this q, coordinate q, so q will be equal to k into 9, so 9k, and then 1 into minus 1, so minus 1 divided by k plus 1. Okay, right. So we need to find ratio, it means we need to find the value of k, gentlemen. Okay, so how to find the ratio of this ratio or k? See, once the point P and Q are lying on the line segment L also, lying on the line segment AB also, but we are not having any equation of line segment AB. Okay, but we are having equation of line segment L. Okay, so it means this point PQ, both these coordinates will satisfy these equations if we will put the value of x as 8k plus 3 by k plus 1 means that is p, and y that is 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. So if we will put the value in this equation, we will be able to solve for k, and if we will be able to solve for k, it means we will get the value of k, and then we will be able to find the ratio. So let us put the value of P and Q in place of x and y respectively in this equation. X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 can be written as 2 because 2 will take that side. Okay. Now 8k plus 3. So from this 8k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 minus, okay, so 9k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 2. Here I am putting a line. Okay. Now this k plus 1 can be taken as LCM and it will be multiplied with 2. So this one will give you 8k plus 3 from here. Okay. 8k plus 3 minus 9k minus minus plus 1 is equal to 2k plus 2. This k plus 1 will get multiplied there. Okay. Right. Now this will solve. So 8k minus 9k, so it is minus k. This k will come this side, so make it as minus 2k. Okay. Then put equal to, this side 2 is there, okay, let it be 2. And this side 3 plus 1, 4 is there, which will come this side and it will become minus 4. Okay, 2 minus 4. This is giving to us as minus 3k is equal to minus 2. This and this minus will get cancelled. Okay, right? Yes. Then what we are getting? We are getting k is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Once k is equal to 2 by 3 has come, and we told that suppose this point P is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1. Okay. It means ratio k is to 1 will become what? 2 by 3 is to 1, which can be written as 2 is to 3. Okay. If you will multiply by 3 to both, okay, in this ratio, you will get 2 is to 3. So the ratio in which this straight line is dividing AB is 2 is to 3. So this ratio has become 2 is to 3. Okay. What it has become? 2 is to 3. Right. Let us solve another question. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A and B into 3 equal parts. In 3 equal parts. Okay. Suppose the line segment A is this point as 2 as minus 3 and B minus 4 and minus 6. And coordinates of the points will be there like this. So suppose any point C and D are the points which divide the line segment into three equal parts, gentlemen. It means it is 1, it is 1, it is 1. 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay. So three equal parts means it is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So if we want to find the coordinate of point C, we'll take these 2 points and this side we can take it as 2 part, means BC will become 2. So 1 is to 2 we can utilize. If we want to find D, we can put these 2 parts as 2 is to 1, because DA will become here 2 part. Okay, 1 part plus 1 part, it will become 2. So 2 is to 1. So what it is? Point C divides the line segment what? AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Similarly, point D divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Now we can find out the coordinates of point C and point D. Okay. So let point C, the coordinate is x1, y1. Okay, suppose it is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Coordinate of D is x2, y2. Okay, so let us first find out the coordinate of C. So x1, so this is C. Here we will find for D. Coordinate is x1, y1. Coordinate is x2, y2. So x1 is equal to, so this side 1 is to 2 is there, 1 is to 2. Okay, so 1 will get multiplied with minus 4 into minus 12. Okay, so we were discussing on this part. So x1 is equal to, so as I told that this point C is dividing this line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So 1 into minus 4 will come here, 1 into minus 4 plus 2, this side is there, 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3. So minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. So it is giving us as 0 value. So x1 is 0. Now y1, if we want to find out, then again 1 into minus 6 plus then 2 into minus 3 divided by 3. So it is giving to us as minus 6 minus 6, okay, by 3, which is minus 12 by 3, and if we are cancelling, we are getting minus 4. So y1 has become minus 4. It means this coordinate is 0 and minus 4. Now similarly, we will find coordinate of point D. So now it will become 2 is to 1, not 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. So 2, now here x2 is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 2 and divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3 only. It will become minus 8 plus 2 divided by 3. So minus 6 divided by 3 cancelled. So minus 2. Okay. Now similarly y2 when we are finding out. So y2 will become again 2 is to 1 is there. So 2 into minus 6 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3. So it is giving to us as minus 12 and then minus 3 divided by 3. So minus 15 divided by 3 cancelled with 5. So minus